What you doing, Mamacita? My favorite food is anything with salmon. Salmon with basically everything. Mashed potatoes, rice, plantain.
Are these things that you grew up with, or how did you become familiar with like all these dishes?
My mother was a picky eater when I was younger. She would just eat like traditional Spanish food, like rice and beans. But I had a best friend in high school. She loved seafood. So at like 16 or 17, I had like my first piece of like fish that wasn't your basic fish. So I had salmon, I had crab legs, and from then on I just loved salmon.
Hearing about like your best friend and how you grew up, what dish makes you feel so nostalgic?
So my favorite memory actually surrounding food surrounds her also. There was one day in my pregnancy, like I was just like craving crab leg, craving it, like I just needed it, extra spicy. So on May 25th, I had my crab legs at like 5 or 6 o'clock. I asked him to order it, but he was working. So I ended up just Uber eating it. And it came, I like busted it down. He ate it. It was a mess. A few hours later, I was in labor.
Oh my gosh.
I think she was like, girl, this is too salty. I don't know. So that's like my favorite memory surrounding food. I tell people this story all the time because she was like, girl, I don't want this. Get me out. That's it. And she came literally the next morning at 9 o'clock.
Do you cook at home at all, or?
No, he cooked. He's the
chef
with the kitchen. If it can't go in the air fryer, I don't know.
I get that.
I can't pop it in the air fryer and Google how long and what degrees to put in the air fryer. I'm not making it, but he loves to cook. So he's from Liberia. He's African, but he was raised in Indiana.
Wow.
He makes this really good jerk chicken, rice, like steak, fish.
Is there any advice that you think you could give to someone that you would have benefited from in the past?
Just live life. Everything happened like unexpected and don't stress too much. I remember before I met him and not her, like I always wondered like where my life would be in like 5 years, like stressing like, you know, I'm not dating anybody, I'm not engaged, I'm not married. I'm 36, so we met when I was like 32 or 33. So I've always, you know, when women get to that age, society like, married kid, you gotta be married, you should be this. Just kind of let go, things will happen. Yeah, and what's to happen.
That's so true.
Yeah.
And a lot of people stress about like where they are in life. And my grandmother says like, if it's for you, it cannot be for you.
Exactly. And like you said, if it's for you, it's gonna happen.
Exactly.
If it's for you, it's for you.
Exactly.
He was for me, he's for me. She was for me, she's for me. That's it.